How does it feel?
I said don't talk to me, I have clout.
Hey, how many views has the video got?
What's up, shawty? If I would have pursued, she would have pursued. Stop recording me. Are you paying? Stop recording. Alright, come record me. It makes me look pop. I don't have anything to say, just keep recording.
Are you gonna rinse these girls up?
I will. I just want you to know if I pursue, they'll pursue.
Boy, these girls are definitely out of your league. I thought you were the man, bro. What happened?
Alright, fuck you, bitch. You wouldn't have talked to him, they were so bad.
Kim K.
She was like Kim K, I swear. She's barely turned her face sideways and I froze. Like, oh my god, I've never seen a girl like that. Yo, Concept Surf Shop, dude, let's go. Bro.
Hell yeah. Oh, bitch.
Dude,
I think I got reflexes like that.
Dude.
Whoa, shout out Concept Surf Shop. We just got free stickers. That's crazy. Oh, speaking of tattoos, do you know anybody that does some?
I don't.
Oh. We're here in Ensenadas. This is one of the surf. How do you even say it?
You butchered the hell out of that.
Crazy, bro. This is crazy. It's gonna blow your mind.
Oh my god. Yo. It's a full house.
Homie Cameron just pulled up with the surfboard that Tanner lost off the roof of his van.
Shut up.
The upgraded version, actually. Bro, so we get to surf finally since you didn't want me to succeed, so you had to ruin my...
You're a degenerate, bro.
You're next. This dude's got a drone. Epic drone shot montage coming in 3, 2, 1.
The more I see, the less I know, the more I like to let it go. Hey, oh.
Like I'm falling.
I'm hoping the wind just blows it down. That's all we've got. Pretty much.
The drone is in the sky.
That's all we've got, man.
What the hell?
We weren't even playing with it for 10 minutes. We gotta throw something at it.
Yeah, dude, that's
Let's get to going, boys. That's their house right there. We can't do much.
Can't get over.
yeah, it's not.
How's it?
It's like it's in
It's
there.
wrapped
dude.
around the blade.
It's in there, yeah.
So what are we gonna do, Aaron Rodgers? We throwing it up there? We gotta do something. We can't just sit here and accept defeat, my friends. This is why we can't have nice things, Tanner. So sad.